Richard Morgan Flair, born February 25, 1949, known professionally as Ric Flair, is an American retired professional wrestler. As of November 2023, he is signed to All Elite Wrestling AEW in a Legends role for special appearances. Regarded by multiple peers and journalists as the greatest professional wrestler of all time, Flair's career spanned 50 years. Flair is noted for his tenures with Jim Crockett Promotions (JCP) under the National Wrestling Alliance (NWA), World Championship Wrestling (WCW), the World Wrestling Federation (WWF), later WWE, and Total Non-Stop Action Wrestling (TNA). Much of his career was spent in JCP and WCW, in which he won numerous titles. Since the mid-1970s, he has used the moniker The Nature Boy. A major pay-per-view attraction throughout his career, Flair headlined the premier annual NWA, WCW event, Starrcade, on 10 occasions, while also co-headlining its WWF counterpart, WrestleMania. In 1992, after winning that year's Royal Rumble, Pro Wrestling Illustrated PWI awarded him their PWI Wrestler of the Year award a record 6 times, while Wrestling Observer Newsletter named him the Wrestler of the Year a record 8 times. The first 2-time WWE Hall of Fame inductee, first inducted with the class of 2008 for his individual career and again with the class of 2012 as a member of the Four Horsemen. He is also a member of the NWA Hall of Fame, the Professional Wrestling Hall of Fame, and the Wrestling Observer Newsletter Hall of Fame. Flair is recognized by WWE as a 16-time World Champion, 8-time NWA World Heavyweight Champion, 6-time WCW World Heavyweight Champion, and 2-time WWF World Heavyweight Champion, although the number of his World Championship reigns varies by source, ranging from 16 to 25. The most agreed upon number is 21, which Flair himself has claimed. He was the first holder of the WCW World Heavyweight Championship and the WCW International World Heavyweight Championship. As the inaugural WCW World Heavyweight Champion, he became the first person to complete the WCW Triple Crown, having already held the WCW United States Heavyweight Championship and WCW World Tag Team Championship. He then completed the WWE Triple Crown when he won the WWE Intercontinental Championship, after already holding the WWF World Heavyweight Championship and the original World Tag Team Championship. Flair was born on February 25, 1949, in Memphis, Tennessee. His original parents were Luther and Olive Phillips, the latter of whom was also credited with the Demery and Stewart surnames. Nevertheless, his birth name is commonly considered to be Fred Phillips, even if he is also credited on various records as Fred Demery or Fred Stewart. He was adopted by Kathleen Kinsmiller Flair and Richard Reed Flair. The Flairs decided to adopt due to Kathleen being unable to become pregnant after giving birth to a daughter who died shortly after. At the time of his adoption, arranged by the Tennessee Children's Home Society as part of Georgia Tann's infant trafficking scandal, his adoptive father was completing a residency in obstetrics and gynecology in Detroit, Michigan. After 9th grade, he attended Wayland Academy in Beaver Dam, Wisconsin for 4 years, where he participated in wrestling, football, and track. After high school, Flair briefly attended the University of Minnesota. Legacy A. Flair was often popular with the crowd due to his in-ring antics, including rule-breaking, earning him the distinction of being the dirtiest player in the game, strutting, and his shouting of woo-woo. Flair got the inspiration from Jerry Lee Lewis' Great Balls of Fire. The woo yell has since become a tribute to Flair and is often shouted by the crowd whenever a wrestler performs a knife edge chop, one of Flair's signature moves. It is also often shouted by the crowd whenever a wrestler utilizes Flair's figure for leg lock finisher. One of professional wrestling's biggest draws, Hulk Hogan, has said he himself is numbered behind Ric Flair, who is the greatest wrestler of all time. On the February 18, 2008 episode of Raw, Shawn Michaels announced Flair as the first inductee into the WWE Hall of Fame class of 2008. The induction ceremony took place on March 29, 2008, with Triple H inducting him. This made him the first person to be inducted while still an active competitor. Flair was later inducted into the NWA Hall of Fame in Atlanta, Georgia, but he did not participate in the event. On January 9, 2012, it was announced that the Four Horsemen would be inducted into the WWE Hall of Fame, thus making Flair the first person to have been inducted into the Hall of Fame twice. In 1999, a large group of professional wrestling experts, analysts, and historians named Flair the greatest NWA World Heavyweight Champion of all time. In 2002, Flair was named the greatest professional wrestler of all time in the book The Top 100 Wrestlers of All Time by John Molinaro, edited by Dave Meltzer and Jeff Merrick. In July 2016, Luke Wingy of Sports Illustrated also named Flair the greatest professional wrestler of all time. On April 15, 2008, Flair was honored in Congress by a representative from North Carolina, Republican Sue Myrick, who praised his career and what he means to the state. On September 29, 2008, it was announced that Flair's signature sequin-covered robe that he wore at WrestleMania 24, in what was to be his last WWE match, would be placed in the pop culture section of the National Museum of American History in Washington, D.C. Personal life, Flair married his first wife, Leslie Goodman, on August 28, 1971. Goodman was Jewish, with her grandparents even wanting Flair to convert to Judaism, which he ultimately opted not to do after attending Hebrew language classes. They had 2 children, daughter Megan and son David. Flair and Leslie separated in 1979 before officially divorcing in 1983 after 12 years of marriage. On August 27, 1983, he married his second wife, Elizabeth Harrell. Promoter Jim Crockett Jr. served as the best man for the wedding. They had 2 children, daughter Ashley and son Reed. Beth and their children also made periodic appearances in WCW between 1998 and 2000. Flair and Beth divorced in 2006 after nearly 23 years of marriage. On May 27, 2006, Flair married his third wife, Tiffany Vandemark, a fitness competitor. In 2008, Tiffany filed for divorce from Flair, which was finalized in 2009. On November 11, 2009, Flair married his fourth wife, Jacqueline "Jackie" Beams, in Charlotte, North Carolina. In 2012, Flair filed for divorce from Beams, which was finalized in 2014. Flair, in a non-legally binding wedding ceremony, married Wendy Barlow, known as Fifi, his maid in WCW, on September 12, 2018, at a resort in Florida. Despite having a wedding ceremony, Flair and Barlow later revealed to people in January 2022 that they were never legally married, as they never applied for a marriage certificate. On January 31, 2022, Flair announced that he and Barlow had separated. The two reconciled in May 2022, but separated again in September 2024. Flair and Barlow were acknowledged to have been in a romantic relationship for 13 years prior to the 2024 separation. Flair's elder son, David, is a retired professional wrestler who worked for WCW from 1999 to 2001 and made to televised appearances in the WWF in 2002 during the run-up to WrestleMania X8. Flair's younger son, Reed, who signed a developmental contract with WWE near the end of 2007, was an accomplished high school wrestler and made several appearances on WCW television along with his sister Ashley and half-sister Megan. On May 17, 2012, it was reported that Flair's daughter Ashley had signed with WWE, adopting the ring name Charlotte, which was later changed to include the Flair surname. In 2004, Flair became a grandfather at the age of 55 when his older daughter, Megan Flair Ketzner, gave birth to her first child, a daughter named Morgan Lee Ketzner on May 9th. On March 29, 2013, Reed died from a drug overdose of heroin, Xanax, and a muscle relaxant. Sebastian Kidder, Flair's stepson through his relationship with Barlow, died by suicide on October 26, 2024. Legal problems. In December 2005, a judge issued arrest warrants for Flair after a road rage incident that took place in Charlotte, North Carolina, in which Flair allegedly got out of his car, grabbed a motorist by the neck, and damaged his vehicle. Flair was charged with 2 misdemeanors, injury to personal property, and simple assault and battery. This incident was ridiculed on WWE programming, most notably by the wrestler Edge. In September 2007, Flair opened a financial business called Ric Flair Finance. In July 2008, Flair Finance filed for bankruptcy. Following Flair's debut in Total Non-Stop Action Wrestling TNA, his former employer, Ring of Honor Row, filed a lawsuit in 2010, alleging that Flair owed them over $40,000 and that he had not appeared at several events that he was contractually obligated to appear at. The lawsuit was never resolved. High Spots Inc. claimed that Flair had given them the NWA World Heavyweight Championship belt as collateral for a loan. A warrant for Flair's arrest was issued in May 2011 for being held in contempt of court for violating the terms of his settlement with High Spots. If Flair had failed to comply, he could have potentially faced 90 days in jail. On June 25th, High Spots released a statement over their official Facebook page stating that someone had paid Flair's debts. Health issues. Flair has a heart condition called alcoholic cardiomyopathy. On August 14, 2017, Flair had surgery in Georgia to remove an obstructive piece of his bowel, which led to various complications, most seriously kidney failure, necessitating dialysis treatment and ongoing hospitalization. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.